The government held a meeting with the teachers of the SSA yesterday to address their demands. Speaking to media after the meeting, Aristotle Rimbai, president of the Meghalaya SSA School Association, said that the government has clarified the position on SSA teachers' Cader status. And according to the guidelines from the Government of India, there should be no separate cadre for SSA teachers, and Rimbai noted that in Meghalaya there are currently two distinct categories of teachers, that is the SSA and government teachers. The Government of India's policy mandates that both groups should fall under a single management system, which is the state government. The SSA teachers are demanding enhancement of pay to amend Meghalaya school education service rules, post-retirement benefits and resolution of other issues.
The Commissioner Secretary of Education Department today present the details presentation regarding those 8 points which we from the association have submitted to the government through the Education Department during the first meeting, which was held on 18 November 2024. And out of those 8 points, 5 points have informed us that the Education Department are taking them into consideration, and further discussion is needed regarding those 5 points.
The Office of the Research